Welcome to the forefront of PC hardware innovation in 2024. The quest for optimal airflow within computer systems continues to shape the landscape of PC cases. This year's lineup of the best airflow PC cases showcases cutting-edge design and engineering, providing enthusiasts and professionals with ultimate thermal performance. From intricately designed mesh fronts that facilitate uninterrupted air intake to meticulously placed vents and fans that ensure efficient heat dissipation, these cases redefine what it means to keep your components cool under pressure. As components become more powerful, the importance of adequate airflow cannot be overstated. Join us as we delve into the top airflow PC cases of 2024, where form meets function in perfect harmony to elevate your computing experience to unprecedented heights. Corsair 5000 tRGB. Dive into a world of visual splendor with the Corsair 5000 tRGB, a pinnacle of gaming chassis excellence at a premium price of $355. Experience a symphony of light with 160 RGB LEDs meticulously integrated into the front, roof, and floor panels. Not stopping there, the included fans boast 48 individually addressable LEDs, allowing for mesmerizing multi-zone lighting that keeps you captivated. But the 5000 tRGB doesn't just prioritize aesthetics, it delivers on cooling potential too. With room for up to 10 120mm or 4 140mm cooling fans and support for radiators up to 360mm with varying thicknesses, this case ensures your components stay frosty under pressure. Ease of access and maintenance is paramount, thanks to the removable mesh front and roof panels. Tool-free hinged side panels reveal the heart of your rig, displaying both components and lighting for all to see. Corsair's focus on functionality shines through the Rapid Route cable management system, streamlining cable routing with a generous 30mm of space behind the motherboard. The modern front panel I/O, including USB 3.1 Type-C and multiple USB 3.0 ports, grants effortless connectivity. Storage isn't an afterthought, as the case accommodates many SSD and HDD combinations. The customizable fan mounts on the motherboard tray allow you to mount fans or radiators according to your cooling needs. Endorsed by Corsair's comprehensive 2-year warranty and world-class customer support, the 5000 tRGB is more than a case. It's an investment in an unparalleled gaming experience that blends lighting artistry with superior cooling capabilities. Be Quiet Pure Base 500DX. Introducing the Be Quiet Pure Base 500DX Black is a pinnacle of cooling efficiency and airflow optimization, tailored for the discerning user seeking peak performance. Priced at a competitive $100, this chassis redefines what a mid-tower case can offer. Equipped with a high airflow intake front panel and top cover, the 500DX ensures maximum cooling potential, allowing your components to thrive under demanding workloads or intense gaming sessions. The inclusion of 3 PureWings 2 140mm fans guarantees not only impressive cooling performance, but also a calm operational soundscape. Enhancing its aesthetic allure, the case features RGB LEDs adorning its front panel and interior, adding a vibrant and customizable visual dimension. The cutting-edge USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port ensures compatibility with the latest hardware, enabling high-speed data transfer. For enthusiasts of liquid cooling solutions, the Pure Base 500DX easily accommodates radiators up to 360mm. Its well-designed layout offers ample room for up to 2 SSDs prominently displayed behind the tempered glass side panel. Moreover, the case's spacious interior provides a welcoming home for high-end graphics cards and expansive coolers. With a manufacturer's warranty spanning 3 years, Be Quiet reaffirms its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The Pure Base 500DX Black is a sophisticated blend of style, substance, and performance, elevating your PC building journey to new heights. NZXT H5 Flow. Discover the NZXT H5 Flow, a game changer in PC cases, offered at a competitive $95. Designed relentlessly focused on optimizing airflow for superior performance, this case is a testament to NZXT's commitment to innovation. Unveiling a high-performance airflow setup, the H5 Flow boasts perforated front and top panels that channel filtered air through the case, effectively cooling components and elevating overall system performance. Adding to its prowess, the case integrates a dedicated angled 120mm fan below, delivering direct cooling to power-hungry graphics cards. The H5 Flow's spacious interior accommodates impressive cooling configurations, with support for up to 280mm radiators in the front, 240mm up top, and a 120mm option in the rear. Your cooling options are virtually limitless. Pre-installed with two 120mm fans, the case ensures efficient heat dissipation right out of the box. Tailored for performance enthusiasts, the case boasts a generous 365mm maximum GPU clearance, accommodating most NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards. The NZXT Vertical GPU mounting kit available separately provides a seamless solution for those seeking to flaunt their GPU. Furthermore, managing cables is a breeze with wide cable channels adorned with hooks, bridges, and straps, rendering organized cable management effortlessly achievable. The NZXT H5 Flow encapsulates style and substance, revolutionizing your PC building experience while delivering exceptional value. Lianli Landcool 216. Unleash the Lianli Landcool 216, an extraordinary mid-tower chassis that marries versatility and performance, all for an inviting $100. Designed to accommodate the demands of air and water cooling enthusiasts alike, this case is a marvel of engineering. Its airflow-centric design is highlighted by optimized front, top, and PSU shroud side mesh panels, ensuring efficient cooling across the board. The Landcool 216 comes pre-equipped with two front 160 PWM fans available in RGB and non-RGB options and a rear 140mm PWM fan, guaranteeing a cool and quiet computing experience. The case's remarkable thermal support shines with the ability to host a 360 radiator at the top and front, along with an impressive maximum of 10 fans. Notably, a rear PCIe fan bracket further enhances cooling potential, featuring a user-friendly front I/O that can be relocated to the bottom. The Landcool 216 optimizes accessibility. Its extensive cable management solution complements this design, ensuring a clean and organized interior. The Lianli Landcool 216 masterfully fuses performance and adaptability, offering enthusiasts the tools to craft their dream PC setup without breaking the bank. Fractal Design North. Introducing the Fractal Design North, an exquisite embodiment of the gaming PC reimagined as a stylish living space accessory, alluring priced at $150. This masterpiece transcends the norm, infusing natural materials and bespoke details to elevate gaming into a statement of refined aesthetics. Crowned with the prestigious Red Dot Design Award 2023, the North is a testament to innovation and sophistication. Designed with gamers in mind, it boasts a chassis engineered for performance, housing radiators of up to 240mm on top and 360mm in the front. The spacious interior accommodates GPUs up to 355mm with front fans or 300mm with a front radiator, while 7 bridgeless expansion slots offer limitless customization. Engineered for versatility, the North's intuitive layout enhances your building experience. Natural ventilation flows through its open front and seamlessly integrated mesh top panel. For those who appreciate extra ventilation, the mesh variant features a full mesh side panel and the top. The case ships with 2-aspect 14 PWM fans, expandable to 4 140mm or 6 120mm fans, ensuring impeccable airflow management. The mesh version includes a fan hub and bracket for 2 additional fan positions. Flexible storage options abound, with dedicated drive mounts and a convenient Type-C interface with USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C support. catering to fast charging and high-speed data transfer. In summary, Fractal Design North converges design and performance, a harmonious testament to the brand's commitment to innovation. Thanks for tuning in to our guide on the best Airflow PC cases 2024. Don't let your components overheat, choose wisely, and optimize your gaming or workstation setup. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and check out our other videos for more insights.